Attic ladder danger is real and way more common than most people think, so you gotta be super careful every time you pull that thing down. Okay, so first off, always check the ladder before using it. Look for any cracks, loose screws, or signs it might give out on you. When you open the attic ladder, make sure it's fully extended and locked in place so it won't collapse while you're climbing. Never rush or bounce on the ladder because that can make it wobble or snap, especially if it's one of those old wooden ones. Wear shoes with good grip so you don't slip, and keep your hands free for holding onto the rails. Don't carry heavy stuff while climbing. If you're lifting something bulky up or down, ask someone to help or use a rope system to avoid losing balance. Also, check the attic floor once you get up there. Sometimes the flooring isn't sturdy and could break under your weight. Make sure the area around the ladder is clear of clutter so you don't trip when coming down. Finally, if your attic ladder looks sketchy or old, seriously consider replacing it before it turns into a disaster. One of the biggest attic ladder dangers comes from using a ladder that isn't properly installed or secured. This can cause it to fall unexpectedly, so double check those bolts and hinges. Another common issue is ignoring weight limits on the ladder. Pushing past the max weight can cause cracks or breaks, so always know what your ladder can handle. Lastly, a lot of people don't inspect their attic ladders regularly, missing warning signs like loose steps or rusted parts. Fixing these early means no surprise collapses. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it helps you find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. And for contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work from people who really need reliable help with their home projects.